It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It's a big farm animal. It makes the sound. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. Its baby is called a chick. It makes the sound. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. It makes the sound. It has feathers. Its baby is called a duckling. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound. It runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It can be ridden. It makes the sound. It's bigger than a chicken. Its baby is called a poult. It has huge feathers. It makes the sound.